I've never been on a Filmfare cover, but my first interview with any magazine was with Filmfare. And I remember Praveena ji had done it. And it was a very interesting interview because I had not announced that I would join films then. So Filmfare becomes very special for me. I guess it should be around my next release, which is in November. That will be Good Boy, Bad Boy. And then for Shooter and Lokhandwala, that will come in Feb. So गोलमाल को अभी रिलीज़ हुए एक महीना हुआ है और उस फिल्म के लिए आई हैड डन एन इंटरव्यू विद फिल्मफेयर. तो अभी आई थिंक बिफोर माय नेक्स्ट रिलीज डेफिनेटली बिकॉज आई एम नॉट कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल.
Thank you so much. So one more question. So what do you think about this concept of four covers?
I think it's super because I think there's no better way to promote a film like how I think Kank has come with Filmfare this time. It's no better way. And Filmfare has a very big reach overseas also. So I think this will definitely continue, and these kind of tie-ups are going to stay.